Okay, so my name's Roger Reed. This is a video I'm going to do here for clearing a firearm. Unfortunately, I don't have a good workstation right now. I'm still working on that. I plan on putting one in my shed out back, but there's many things I have to do first, clean it out, and security, air conditioning, heating, etc. Anyways, so I'm gonna angle this camera down here so you can see I'm working at my desk inside my room here. Sorry, this is, like I said, first time doing this. There we go. Okay, so what I'm working with here is a Palmetto State Dagger Compact, which is basically a Glock 19 clone. Um, Pretty decent pistol. I like it. Haven't shot it yet, but anyway. So demonstrate the process of performing a function check while assessing all 8 steps cycle of operations, which I have written down here. Unfortunately, I have, when it comes to dummy rounds, I have a dummy round that I had for years when I was in the military, but it has become unserviceable. I can't really get the camera to focus in, but the projectile's been shoved in. So I have some new snap caps on order. Put that over there. Okay, so let me get my mat here so I'm not working on a piece of paper. Way, sorry, I'm a little unorganized. Okay. So, let's see here. The first thing I'm going to do is clear the weapon out, remove the magazine, where the bullets live. No bullets in here. That's good. That's magazine aside. Now I'm going to unlock the weapon. See the barrel tilt down. That's what we want to see. Good action. Really stiff spring. Go ahead and lock it back. Now, this weapon does not have a safety on the side. It has trigger safety. So, weapon is clear. Kind of see down in there. See the feet ramp a little. See here, cycle of operations. You would load a magazine with your bullets. Put your bullets in. Put your magazine in. This would be the first thing that would happen is a bullet would come out. It's called feeding, and it would pull it up into the chamber and chamber it and lock it into position like so. Then, like I said, you have a trigger safety down here. So you would take aim at your target, fire, nice striker fire, good sound. Now you can see the trigger just rest. It doesn't come back on its own. So this weapon, you need the recoil to bring the trigger back up. So one more time. You see the trigger reset there. So basically you fire the round. Semi-automatic action would make the slide come back. Extractor grabs the round and it ejects it, kicks it out. Pretty simple. I like the feel of this weapon. I haven't shot it more than a few times. I had a different lower that I built for it out of polymer material. It was okay. I went ahead and ordered this lower. It came with a free SIG light, which was nice. All in all, it's a good pistol. I like the trigger. The take up isn't too bad, but you can clearly feel when you're about to break. I like that right there. It's nice. So, yeah, so feeding, chambering, locking, cocking, firing, unlocking, extracting, and ejecting. I think I pretty much covered everything. And, yeah, I hope my video wasn't too long. So, thank you very much.